Hi, at DevFest Noida, we are here at Expo Inn on 6th of December, and we are about to conclude our DevFest, and just wanted to meet my friend. Hey.
So I'm from Mongolia.
Okay.
I study in GTU and I'm second year student right now.
Okay, and you're pursuing which course?
Software engineering.
Okay. And how's DevFest for you?
So like today, it was amazing. Like I met some new people, made some connections with some companies and stuff. And the food over here was amazing. Like I gotta say that though, the workshop, it was fine. Like I learned how to do vibe coding, how to do extensions in Visual Studio. Like it was a great day, and
Awesome.
I've met some places. There was great diversity, and yeah, that was great for me.
Did you feel welcome?
Yeah, truly, like totally.
Okay, and I'm glad we were able to provide that experience to you. Awesome. And if I asked any best thing about this DevFest, what would that be? Any one thing?
Testing. For me, it was like the workshop.
The workshop.
Yeah, like I even attended two of them.
Okay.
Yeah, it was great though. Like you learned some things. The teachers was really like they were teaching great. Yeah.
Oh, that's really awesome, and nice to have you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Awesome. I'd like to hear your name first.
You can call me Botansaki.
Okay.
My first name is Bot.
Okay.
I'm from Mongolia,
Okay. Awesome.
and this is my fourth year in the DTU.
So, how was your experience at DevFest over here today?
Today experience is like awesome. It's like memorable. Like I can't forgettable. Also like this experts, the speeches. Also one of the most interesting thing is like topics about speeches.
Yeah.
Also I attend to like think.
Yeah.
Cool think. Like entrepreneurships.
Yep.
This ideation. This type of topics very interesting for me.
The level of detail that you're giving, I'm 100% sure that you've really attended it very well.
Yeah. I heard like what I did later.
That's so nice of you. I think that's what makes me call this event a good success.
Yeah. Also, I'm also thinking.
Okay, and if I talk about one best thing for you, what would that be in DevFest today?
There's like many advantages in this event, but most thing is like connections. With
Okay.
like many experts, many students, many
Yep.
like very talented persons like today came to this event. This all persons like connections is like must unique.
Truly agree that. So I'm sure you made a lot of friends today.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like 2-3 persons like I also went to like 2-3 persons like my LinkedIn connections like just like booming.
Okay.
Today is like just very high value day.
Awesome. That's really nice to talk with you.
Hi, so is this the first time you're attending a DevFest?
Yes, definitely. It's my first time.
Oh, and how did you like the energy of the event?
Well, it was mind-blowing. I just knew, for some reason, since I stepped my foot, inside this compound, I just thought, whatever today is going to be like, I just can't wait, for those experiences. And truly, it was, all my expectations have been surpassed. It was a very great one.
That's great to know. And also, what's that one thing that you'll take away? Is that a session or is it just the energy of the space?
Well, today's takeaway is, like more than the energy and, there's like the connections that we make actually. And it has shown me also that LinkedIn, somebody will view it just as some platform, but, just having met a few individuals, just from the LinkedIn itself today, and it just made me reflect and realize that what we're building, if it's a personal brand or whatever, it's actually real people that we're connecting with, not just keeping on some vanity numbers, the likes, the followers, the connections and all that, but it's actually real people with real stories, real struggles, real wins and all. So it just gives this meaningful.
Definitely. I think that's one of the things that I also believe with events.
Yes.
I come here and my goal is to meet 3 new people and build connections with them and keep in touch with them. So that stays me, that grows my network very meaningfully instead of, just like you said, just by numbers. And that's really great.
Yes.
The last thing I do want to ask is, How did you find about this event and how did you discover us at GDG Noida?
Okay. How I found out about this event is through a Google developer group on our campus, Galgotes University. I just saw it. I think I was just scrolling just on a social media, perhaps a LinkedIn or IG or something. And, I just came across the Google developer groups on campus. So I said, if such a thing is happening on our campus, I can't miss. So I just went. Definitely build this excitement that I can't miss this if it's happening in our city, Greater Noida. So that's why I came, and truly it was an electrifying.
That's so great to know, and I hope we stood up to the expectations that you had.
Definitely.
Thank you for being here and speaking with us.
Thank you.